Hi, this is Maria, and I'm going to show you how to download the free color palette that came in Jenny Gollan's newsletter in the email. So the instructions say simply click the image below to download this eggplant palette from my Dropbox folder. Send straight into the Procreate app and export, then open in. So I'm going to click this image. It's asking me to open Dropbox. And then I'm going to click the dots on top, export, open in, copy to Procreate. Now I'm going to open a new palette just to make sure it's in there. I'm going to click on the circle, which is my color palette. Click on the icon that says palettes. And if you scroll down, there is my pink and eggplant palette loaded. Thanks for watching.